Hello everybody, I am Roberto Ferrari from the University of Ferrara, and I'm here to tell you that to have elevated blood pressure is bad. It damages the heart, the brain, and the kidney. And the problem is that you do not feel the level of pressure in the pipes of your body. For this reason, hypertension or high blood pressure is considered the silent killer. This is because there is too much salt in your meal. So please, my message to you is please reduce the salt in your meal. Cook with less salt. Remember, this is an S.O.S. Step down with your salt. It's very important for your health. Of course, this can be done, and Dr. Simmi Manocha will tell you how to do it.
At the onset, I would like to thank Dr. Roberto Ferrari for taking this initiative of educating people in India regarding the salt intake. As we already know that in India, the perception of salt intake is not. People are not too much aware about it and they don't bother how much salt intake they are taking. According to WHO, the salt intake recommended is 5 grams per day, but in India, an average Indian is consuming about 11 grams of salt per day. We should know that extra salt intake in our diet can increase the chance of heart attack, increase the risk of stroke, and increase the risk of kidney disease. So, there are certain recommendations from my side how to lower the salt intake. First and foremost, in Indian cooking, especially while cooking rice or making dough for making chapati, paratha, puri, there should be no addition of salt in that food. Then, we should try and avoiding the sprinkling of salt on our salads, fruits, etc. In cooking, we can try to cut down on the salt intake from lesser to least. We should avoid foods such as bakery items which can contain sodium bicarbonate, which in turn is again sodium. And we should try and avoid taking a lot of pickles, pappers and chaat papadi items which are very common and favorite in India. We should remove salt sprinklers from our dining table because if it is there, then we have a tendency to sprinkle extra table salt on our food. So if we become more conscious and aware of salt intake and we try to avoid it, then we are trying to keep the silent killer away and in turn will control blood pressure better. Have a great day.